Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to manage the safe search setting on your Google account. So let's get into it. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed into your account. By opening the Google application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click. Then, on the next page, a drop-down menu will open, where you will find the setting option and click on it. By clicking on the setting option, a new page will open where you can also go down to the option Privacy and Safety in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open the next page where you will look for the Safe Search option and click on it. Finally, we have reached the point that is most important to us. As you can see, the application offers you 3 options, the first of which is the filter. It helps you filter explicit images, text, and links. Then the blur option. It helps you blur explicit NICS images, text, and links that are displayed to you. Simply put, until you click on the image, text or link will be blurred. And of course, the off option, which allows you to see everything, even if something is explicit. As we say in all our video clips, it is up to you to choose between these 3 options and click on it, and then you can surf the net. And that's it. Managing safe search in your Google account is quick and easy. It's a great way to make your browsing experience safe and family-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.